Hello friends and family, welcome back to my channel, and it's another time with BEL. So how are you doing, guys? I know you are doing awesome, right? Hey guys, so I want to say thank you to everybody, new and old subscribers. I really appreciate you. Okay, this channel will not be without you. Okay, thank you. And if you're new here and you haven't subscribed, oh boy, please pause the video, click on the subscription button, notification bell, so that you can get more updates from Time with BEL. Okay guys, so let's dive into the video. Okay guys, so in this video we are going to review and hair tutorial. Okay, so I got this hair from VOMELLA store on Amazon. Okay, and this hair was $46.69, and there was a 10% discount, guys. So you know it's gonna go down. Yep. So this is butterfly Locs crochet. Okay, butterfly Locs crochet from VOMELLA shop on Amazon. So this is the package and how it came. 7 packs butterfly Locs. Okay, so guys, let's open it and see. I like the package though, because kind of like girly thing. So guys, trust me, so it came with a pin and the jewelry for the hair. Guys, you will love it. Okay, so in fact I am selling crochet pin. Okay, so guys, this is the hair, and let's see. So this is 20-inch 1B. Okay, 20-inch 1B Amazon. Yeah, so this is butterfly Locs. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Okay guys, so let's go. Guys, so this is the hair, and I think it's looking cute and beautiful, right? Yeah, and it is easy to install as well. Yep. Yeah, what do you think? This is 1B and it really goes with my color. Okay, they have a lot of colors, okay, so you can choose between any colors that you want. Okay, yeah. You can style it too, like style it anyhow you want it. Like, guys, what do you think? Wow, I'm loving this hair. Okay, that's really nice and it's really cute. I mean, hi. Wow, that's really beautiful from VOMELLA on Amazon. Okay, so this is just 7 packs, and I think even if you are just doing it on your real hair, you might not even need 7 packs. Okay, because it's really like really full. Yeah, so this is it. Like a lot, like yeah, I think I'm loving this hair. I think it's cute, right? What do you think? It's cute and beautiful, like, and it's all affordable. Like with a 10% discount, I think you want to get it. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, I think it's beautiful. Yep, yeah. What do you think? Okay, guys, so you want to get some. Okay, I'm gonna put your link below in the description box so that you can easily make your pages. Okay, all right, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos from Time with BEL. And I will see you next time. Bye and peace out.